Do you want to have great gut health? Here are only 3 things you need to fix all your gut health. The first one is prebiotics. If you do not know what prebiotics are, these are non-digestible food ingredients that stimulate the growth of good bacteria in your gut. Some foods known to have prebiotic properties are almonds, barley, chia seeds, dandelion greens, flax seeds, garlic, onions, and oats. You can easily find it in your kitchen. Next is probiotics. While it sounds familiar to prebiotics, probiotics are live microorganisms that, when taken in the right amount, can help with your gut health. Studies have proved probiotics are known to improve your gut barrier, modulate immune response in your gut, and also influence the type of microbiome you have in your gut. These all ultimately lead to good gut health. The popular known source of probiotics is fermented foods like yogurt, kimchi, and kefir. The last one is fiber. Fiber acts as food for your gut bacteria, helping them thrive. It also promotes smooth digestion and prevents constipation. The diversity of your gut bacteria is also determined by the fiber you take. Your go-to for fiber can be chia seeds, psyllium husk, and green leafy vegetables. Hope this was helpful. Follow healthy info for tips like this.